we are going to learn how we can count on and back if you know the place value. For example, there is a number called 5, 6, 4, 2. So you know the values. It is 2 is in ones place, this is in tens place, this is in hundreds place, and this is in thousand place. So if you want to add 100 to this number, so what you have to do? You want to add 100. Okay, 100 is where? In this column. So you want to add 100. Already 600 is there. So if you add 100, what will happen? Only this will change. So this will become 7. You are adding 100, so it will become 7. So this is 5, 7, 4, 2. Okay, only in the hundreds place you will change. For example, if you want to same number, if you want to add 1000. Okay, so we had 6 here. So same number we want to add 1000. Where is 1000? 1000 is here. So already we have 5000. If you add one more 1000, what we have? It will become 6000. Other numbers will be same. 6, 6, 4, 2. Okay. Similarly, if you want to add 10. What if you want to add 10? So where is 10? Here there is 10. Only this will become, you are going to add only 10 to it. So it already 40 is there. Next 10 will be 50. So the remaining numbers will be same. So it becomes 5652. Okay. So if you want to add plus 1, for example, if you want to add 1 to this number, you want to add plus 1. So where is 1 over here? Here, 2. This 2 is in 1's place. So only this will change. 2 plus 1 will become 3. Other numbers will be as it is. So this is how you can add numbers. Similarly, if you want to subtract, 1000, only the 1000 place will change. Where is 1000? Here. You are subtracting, minusing 1000. So what will happen? 5 minus 1, it will be 4. 4642. Rest all will be the same. If you want to subtract 100, what if you want to subtract 100? Where is 100? Here. So 6 minus 1, it will be 5. So the rest will be the same. 5542. If you want to subtract 10, which is the 10? Here is the 10. So you already have 4. So subtract 10, you will get 3. 2. So 5632. If you want to subtract 1, 1 minus 1 means 1's place is here. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. The rest will be the same. So 5641. So if you know the value of the digit, so subtracting or adding becomes easy. Okay. Let's see one more example. Okay. In this example, I have taken the number 3261. So what you have to do? Here you have to add plus 10 to this number. Where is the 10? 10's place? It's here. So only this number will change. You're going to add 10. So this becomes 71. So 3271. Okay. What about here? You're adding 100. Which is the 100th place here? Already 200 is there. Adding one more 100, it becomes 300. So 3361. What about this place? You're adding 1000. The 1000 is here. So 1000 place already 3 is there. Plus one more 1000, you have 4261. Okay. Similarly, if you want to subtract 10. So where is 10? Here it is 10. So this becomes 1 less. That means 5. So 3, 2, 5, 1. You subtract 100, which is the 100's place here? 200. So when you subtract 100, it becomes 100. So 3161. Now again you are going to subtract 1000. Where is 1000? Here. So when you subtract 1000 from 3000, it becomes 2000. 2, 2, 6, 1. So this is how you can add or subtract tens, hundreds, thousands very easily if you know the place value. Thank you.